Welcome to Gallery Oldham's craft video. Today we're going to be making paper flowers which are inspired by the artwork Tradition by Abdus Shakoor Shah. The art materials you will need to make these flowers are So we're going to start with a red piece of paper, and we want to measure some squares of red that are 8 centimetres by 8 centimetres. So use the ruler, measure up to 8 centimetres. I'm going to put a mark onto the paper and I'm going to work my way down the card, measuring 8 centimetres every time, and then draw a line to match them all up. And then I'm going to measure 8 centimetres that way, and 8 centimetres at the top. So I'm going to carefully cut out. And so repeat that until we've got 3 squares of red paper. So take the first square and we're going to fold that in half to turn the square into a triangle. And then after the first fold, we're going to fold that triangle in half to make a smaller triangle. I'll just unfold that and show you again. I'll just show again. So you're going from a full to a half to another half, and then we're going into another half there. And then the last fold is folding over like that, so it's quite small. And then this bit here, we're going to take some scissors and I'm going to cut that section off. So you're just left with that triangle there. So this is the last fold there, and we're going to take scissors and we're going to cut down this section here to make the petal shape, and then cut a little bit to make a hole in there, and then unfold that and unfold. Unfold and unfold to find our flower. I'm just going to crease the little parts inside the flower together. It seems like it needs a little bit of a help. Repeat the steps of folding and cutting to create 3 flowers. So now we're going to use a piece of green paper and a cotton stick, and we're going to tightly roll the edge of the paper and keep rolling it up and rolling, keeping it quite tight and quite tucked in, and we're going to make a green straw, and that will be the stem of the flower. So once we've got that all tightly tucked in and coiled round, we're going to use some PVA glue to stick it together. You might need to hold the paper in place around the stick just while the glue sets. This straw's kind of got a pointy end, so I'm just going to cut the edge off to make it flat. Here I've cut quite a length of yellow paper. It's 2 centimetres wide, and I'm going to fold it over once and fold it over twice. It's the length of the long side of an A4 piece of paper. Once it's folded over, I'm going to cut some tassels into it. So just be careful not to cut all the way through the paper, but just cut through and leave it connected at the end. And I'm going to bend the petals out a little bit to give a bit more shape, and then roll it together to make a little rosette. So put that aside and take the straw. I'm going to put some glue on there and start layering the red flower shapes up to make the petals of our 3D flower. You might need to use plenty of glue. I'm using PVA glue, and I'm gluing on the rosette into the centre to make the centre of our flower. Bit of extra glue on there. You might need to put quite a lot of glue on and let it dry for an afternoon or maybe overnight. I also cut out a small disc to put in the middle just to cover the green of the stem over. And there we have the finished flower.